Woo! Hey everyone, this is Adira from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Wow. We're going to be talking about could Dogecoin go up over 2,000%, guys. So we're going to be talking about that and much more out there. And we're going to be talking about the state of the cryptocurrencies. We're going to be talking about everything. And could we be seeing a huge golden cross coming for Bitcoin? And could that mean that Bitcoin could finally break above $35,000 and stay there? So we're going to be talking about that and much more out there. So if you love this content and you love the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys, don't forget to smash the likes. Look something like that, guys. And remember, happy Halloween. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So let's get into it. Let's jump into the content without any further freaking delay, guys. Wow. We got lots to talk about. Absolutely lots to talk about. And it's a great time. Absolutely a great time to be alive. Guys, do go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. Guys, I'm back from I'm back in Vietnam from Singapore, back in the saddle, guys. So we're seeing right now that basically we're seeing that the broader markets in the U.S. are doing very well, guys. So that is good news out there. We're seeing that right now the price of oil is still pretty high. It's at $87, almost $88 out there. So that's going to have some impact on the pump soon. We're also seeing that right now that the Dow Jones has rallied back 500 points since the beginning of the week, guys. So that is pretty good. That is pretty good out there. Overall, crypto markets, the altcoins are doing pretty good out there. We're seeing that everything is pretty green for the altcoins, but Bitcoin is still down, down a little bit. I'm not too concerned. Remember, tomorrow we have a huge announcement. We have the FOMC interest rate hikes announcement. And remember, Wednesday is also the witching day. So whatever you're seeing today or when you wake up in the US, the opposite's going to happen tomorrow, guys. And happy Halloween. It's Halloweeny here in Asia. We're seeing that the fear and greed right now is good. We're at 68. We're still in the greed zone, guys, and we're seeing that more and more whales are accumulating more Bitcoin. We did see almost $1 billion worth of stable coins pushed onto Binance in preparation for the whales to be buying more Bitcoin. As I said, we do have the Fed Chair Powell press conference at 2 p.m. and 2:30, and that's where they're going to be talking about the rate hikes, and 100% we're going to be seeing a rate hike of about 25 basis points. So that's what's coming in. So far, October has been fantastic. October, we're up almost 28%, so that is huge, guys, huge. So October has been a pretty good month. November could be mixed, guys. If we take a look at the November returns, historical returns for Bitcoin, we can see that in November, typically we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bad months versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Hopefully this will be positive and not negative. But so far, 2023 is looking pretty good for Bitcoin. So far, Bitcoin right now, it did form this golden cross here. Right here, just form a golden cross, and that's pretty good. We had this huge, massive bull flag that is forming here. You can see the flagpole here, and we have a massive flag here. From my perspective, I'm thinking that the next big pump for Bitcoin could take Bitcoin all the way up to around about $40,000. So I'm looking at $40,000 as our next incoming target for Bitcoin. I think we should, not financial advice, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Smash the freaking likes. Show some love out there, guys. And it is Halloweeny time. It is time to party. Let's get it, guys. So $40,000 Bitcoin coming in. Ethereum is looking pretty strong as well. Pretty much. Let me clean up this chart out there. We're seeing a bit of a bull flag formation as well. We did break out of this point of confluence, like I said. We're seeing that the volumes right now for Ethereum are slowing, but we did have this bear area of confluence. It did break above this upward resistance here, and that should carry us all the way pretty soon to around about 19.6. So I think 1900, 1936 is probably our next target breakout from this bull run area here. So that's pretty good out there. So I'm pretty psyched, not pipe, OMG. We're seeing that right now the Bitcoin dominance at 52.8 and Ethereum dominance is also coming at. So far, Bitcoin is slightly down. I think we're probably going to be turning green here in Asia. The last 7 days are up. Ethereum is up almost 1% today. BNB is down for the week, but slightly up right now. We're seeing XRP is doing pretty good, almost at 60 cents, guys. So if you did get into XRP when I told you before the Hyman documents came out, you guys would be up like crazy right now. So looking pretty good. We're seeing that Solana is also making some moves. Cardano is up 2%, 8% for the week. And Doge right now is just gingerly in the green, but we're still up 3.66%. So far, this week has been pretty good. Guys, this came out, stocks are down, but Bitcoin is up. So you can see here that definitely there is a flight from, there's a flight to quality because of the chaos. Billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones said Bitcoin is the fastest horse in the race in inflationary recession. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin is really decoupled from the NASDAQ and the S&P. So this is pretty good. Congratulations for the decoupling. So we're not really, Bitcoin's price is not going to be really impacted too much by the broader markets. So that is good, guys. That is absolutely good. But we are seeing that there is more of a flight to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin definitely will win a freaking race out there. So we have Inverse Kramer. This is good for all of us because, as you know, anything that Inverse Jim Cramer, this is good news because whatever he says, the opposite happens. So Bitcoin and Bitcoin ETF, here we go. So let's listen to what Kramer had to say.
I just can't get on I can't be in something where Mr. Bitcoin is about to go down big. I just can't get on
Yeah, so basically Inverse Kramer saying Bitcoin's going to go down. That's good because then we know it's going to go up. So yeah, way to go, Jim. Look at this. New Bitcoin whales have acquired over 30,000 Bitcoin, $1 billion in the last 5 days. So we are seeing that whales are starting to accumulate Bitcoin because they know that something big's coming. We can see that Bitcoin right now is forming tops from another spreads around 47 to 48 months. So, we're seeing like 47 bars, 48 months, 47 bars, and we're about to form another top. And the target for the next top is going to be huge, guys. And according to this, we could be seeing in October 2025 over 200K, guys. So looking pretty good. And you can see that Bitcoin often, the patterns often definitely rhyme, or if not repeat. You can see here, it's pretty much the same pattern, kind of a seesaw pattern, goes down, goes up, and every time it goes up, it forms higher highs, guys. So that's good. The overall Wendy Trendy is your friend. Things are going up. Things are looking pretty good. Bitcoin just closed weekly candle above the VIP zone. That was support in 2021 and resistance in 2023. So higher time frame, important zone to be above for the bull run. So you guys can see here from most of 2023, we were kind of like in this blue box zone, and we've broken out. We've broken out of this VIP resistance zone, and that is pretty good. And every time we break out of that, it often signals a nice top. So we had it here, and this is our double top in 2021. So looks like we're on our way, fueling the bull run, guys and gals. So ETC, BTC just hit the long-term trend line, and this long-term trend line is pretty good, guys. We've hit it, and that is pretty good. And this should trigger a massive bull run coming soon. Nice. You guys, you can see if we take out the following chart shows the crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. As you guys can see here, the altcoins are going to break out. It finally managed to break out from its descending wedge. Next target is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. Expect the alts to start surging this week, and we are seeing that. If you take a look here, you can see that most of the altcoins, exactly as predicted, are starting to surge. And Dogecoin is going to be one of those coins that is going to definitely surge, guys. So it's looking pretty good, guys. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. What's Dogecoin doing? Dogecoin is also forming a nice bull flag, and we're just keep tippy tapping the 7 cents resistance out there. I'm not too worried. I think our next target, we should go from here. We have a nice kind of like bull flag formation here. You guys can see here. And I think my next target probably for Dogecoin is probably in this area here, around about 0.73, 0.74. So we should see a nice breakout pretty soon out there. Also, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin rise and prediction to up 2,000%, guys. So right now we're seeing that 47% of the Dogecoin holders are in the money, 50% are out. Looking pretty good out there. Overall, we are seeing that Dogecoin Total market cap is up 0.5%, 9.18 billion, and the volume is also up as well. So not too shabby, not too shabby. Looks like this article just came out, and it looks like Dogecoin 2200% breakout. Analyst reveals why should you buy Doge now. Well, according to this article, Doge is on the verge of massive breakout. According to crypto analysts, the meme coin, which has maintained a rather consistent uptrend over the last few days, to be getting started. It's just getting started, guys. So Dogecoin price is pinned to prime for a 2,200% move. In a recent analysis posted on X, crypto analyst Ali Moran presented ultra bullish narrative for Dogecoin. The analyst shared a chart showing possible trajectory for a meme coin that seems to be at the 1.6 level, guys. So that is pretty good. So this starts out at the current level, which analyst believes is a great buying point. Then going onward, there's an initial bump to about 13 cents before a brief retracement. Then there is another surge in price that sends Dogecoin right above 40 cents. The next map out on this chart is about $1.02, guys. So, guys, if you take a look at the chart here, let's just dig into this chart. You guys can see here that according to this, let me just dig in the chart. Open it. Open here. Let's see. We don't want to do that. Let's get X out of there. Open in a new tab. So you can see here. Let me get my face out of the way. So right now we are right about here. So according to this, we should kind of just go sideways for a while, and then we're looking at $1.60 according to this chart, sometime June 2024. So it looks like the summer is going to be pretty hot, guys. So right now we have this huge descending triangle, and we have just broken out of it. That is pretty cool news out there. So guys can see that our next big target, next big hurdle is 10 cents. Once we get past 10 cents, then the sky is the limit. We'll probably go up, hit a high of 70 cents, probably retrace back down to 13, have another leg up all the way to 40 cents, leg back down to 30 cents, kind of consolidate there, and then have another big pump that could take us all the way past all-time highs, guys. So that is pretty cool beans for the Dogecoin. I'm loving it, guys. You remember this? Did you remember this? Dogecoin to the moon. Happy Halloween, everybody. And guys, looks like this is the actual post from Ali. Dogecoin shows promising signs. Breakout from a multi-year descending triangle on the Doge weekly chart. This confirmation of a buy signal from this is from the TD sequential indicator within this time frame, reinforces Doge's bullish outlet. So this is bullish, guys. Freaking bullish, guys. So let me repost this right now. Let me comment. Dogecoin to the freaking moon. Oh yeah, baby. I love it. I love it. You should love it too, guys. So this is positive. Absolutely freaking positive out there. Guys, don't forget, if you got a crypto on centralized exchange, get it off there. Get a NANO Leger out there. Dogecoin fear increase at 67. So looking pretty good out there. Dogecoin to the moon. Let's go get it, guys. And right now we're seeing that Dogecoin on the daily in terms of social mentions is up 56.12%. And the social DOMs is also up 56.12%. So that's looking pretty good on the weekly time frame. So that's good, guys. We're looking pretty good on the weekly for Dogecoin. The sentiment is pretty positive. Let's take a quick look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is also at 0.805 out there, looking pretty good. Got a nice trend line that is going up all the way here. Our next resistance is 9. I think if we continue on, we should be able to hit a 9, a bunch of zeros, a 903 pretty soon, guys. So I'm looking sometime probably the middle of November. My price targets we're seeing, and we should see by the mid-November absolute big breakout, guys, upside. So looking pretty good, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter out there. We got almost let's even get this up to 9,000 followers. I appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to get the merch, guys and gals. So be blessed, be well. That's all I got. Peace out.
Bye.